Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the concept of basis. So let us start our topic, that is about the concept of basis. The most common definition of basis is that those chemical substances which have bitter taste, and turns red litmus solution to blue. This is one of the most common definition of bases, that those chemical substances which are bitter in taste and turns red litmus solution to blue. But the most important definition of bases is that those chemical substances which can neutralize an acid are known as bases. Those chemical substances which can neutralize an acid are known as bases. That means when a base reacts with an acid, the base neutralizes, destroys, cancels the effect of an acid. Those chemical substances are known as bases. For example, metal oxides. When metal oxides reacts with acid, they neutralize its effects. Metal hydroxides. They can also neutralize the effect of an acid. Metal carbonates also neutralizes the effect of an acid. Metal hydrogen carbonates. Ammonium hydroxide. Metal oxides, metal hydroxides, metal carbonates, metal hydrogen carbonates, ammonium hydroxide. They are those compounds which can neutralize an acid. That means they are bases. For example, metal oxide की example हम देंगे, that is sodium oxide Na2O. Metal hydroxide की example हम देंगे, sodium hydroxide NaOH. मेटल कार्बोनेट की एग्जांपल हम देंगे, सोडियम कार्बोनेट Na2CO3. मेटल हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट की एग्जांपल हम देंगे, सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट NaHCO3. Its common name is baking soda. Ammonium hydroxide NH4OH. These are bases. That means those chemical substances which can neutralize an acid are known as bases. But most of the bases are insoluble in water. Some of the bases, they are soluble in water. Those bases which are soluble in water are known as alkalis. एक और term यहाँ पे हम add करेंगे, that is alkalis. What are alkalis? Alkalis are those bases which are soluble in water. Alkalis. Those bases which are soluble in water. Those bases are known as alkalis. For example, sodium hydroxide, it is a base, but it is soluble in water. That is, it is an alkali. Potassium hydroxide KOH, calcium hydroxide CaOH2. These are alkalis. But there are some bases which are insoluble in water. For example, sodium oxide. Sodium oxide, it is a base, but it is not soluble in water. That is, it is not alkali. Zinc hydroxide. Zinc hydroxide, it is not also soluble in water. That is, it is not an alkali. It's a base but not an alkali. Alkali are those bases which are soluble in water. Now we will study about the chemical nature of bases, that is Arrhenius concept of bases. Chemical nature of bases, that is Arrhenius concept of bases. According to Arrhenius के मुताबिक a chemical substance which contains hydroxyl group, a chemical substance which contains hydroxyl group, that means OH group, and which when dissolved in water, जब हम इसको वाटर में डिजॉल्व करते हैं, it produces hydroxide ions, that is OH negative ions. Those chemical substances are known as bases. According to Arrhenius, those chemical substances which contains OH group and which when dissolved in water, जब हम इनको वाटर में डिजॉल्व करते हैं, then OH negative, that is hydroxide ions are formed. Those chemical substances are known as bases. For example, sodium hydroxide, NaOH, it is sodium hydroxide. When it is dissolved in water, H2O, it gives us Na positive and OH negative. Another example is KOH, potassium hydroxide plus H2O gives us K positive and OH negative ions. One more example is calcium hydroxide, CaOH2 plus H2O. It gives us Ca2 positive plus 2OH negative. One more example is magnesium hydroxide plus H2O. It gives us Mg2 positive aqueous plus 2OH negative aqueous. अब यहाँ पे देखिए, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड it contains OH group, potassium hydroxide it contains OH group, calcium hydroxide it contains OH group, magnesium hydroxide it contains OH group, and when they are dissolved in water, जब हम इनको वाटर में डिसॉल्व करते हैं, they produce OH negative hydroxide ions, OH negative and OH negative. These are known as bases according to their Arrhenius. Common, इनमें common क्या है? That is when they are dissolved in water, they produce hydroxide ions. But sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, they are completely dissociated to produce large amount of OH negative. जो यहाँ पे सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है और पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है, they are strong bases. इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे दिखाया सिंगल एरो. यहाँ पे देखिए मैंने डबल एरो दिखाया, एक एरो टुवर्ड्स आयन्स और एक एरो टुवर्ड्स अनडिसोशिएटेड आयन्स. यहाँ पे भी मैंने दिखाया टू एरोज, वन फॉरवर्ड वन बैकवर्ड. ठीक है, जहां पे मैंने सिंगल एरो दिखाया, ठीक है, दैट इज दे आर स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस. दैट इसका मतलब क्या है कि मैंने एक एरो दिखाया, इसका ये मतलब है कि जो मेरे पास सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है, इट डिसोशिएट्स कंप्लीटली, पूरी तरह से डिसोशिएट होता है व्हेन इट इज डिसॉल्व्ड इन वाटर एंड इट प्रोड्यूसेस लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रोक्साइड आयंस एंड दे आर नोन एज स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड एंड मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, यहां पे मैंने दिखाया डबल एरो, टू एरोज मैंने दिखाया यहां पे. इसका ये मतलब है कि जो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड है यहाँ पे, इट डज नॉट डिसोशिएट कंप्लीटली, ये पूरी तरह से डिसोशिएट नहीं होता है जब हम इसको वाटर में डिसॉल्व करते हैं. दैट इज दे आर वीक बेस. strong bases. Strong bases are those bases which dissociate completely, पूरी तरह से वो डिसोशिएट हो जाते हैं, एंड प्रोड्यूसेस लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन्स. दे आर नोन एज स्ट्रॉन्ग बेसिस. वहां पे हम सिंगल एरो दिखाते हैं. वीक बेसिस आर दोज बेसिस विच डू नॉट डिसोशिएट कंप्लीटली, पूरी तरह से वो डिसोशिएट नहीं होते हैं, एंड प्रोड्यूसेस स्मॉल कंसंट्रेशन, स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन्स. They are known as weak bases. For example, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, वहां पे हम क्या डबल एरो दिखाते हैं. मैं यहां पे आपको एग्जांपल एक दूंगा इथाइल अल्कोहल की. C2H5OH, that is ethyl अल्कोहल. इथेनॉल इसका जो IUPAC नेम है. इसमें भी OH प्रेजेंट है, कि हाइड्रोक्सिल ग्रुप इसमें भी प्रेजेंट है. बट हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि ये बेस है. वाई? बिकॉज इट इज नॉट soluble, it does not dissociate when it is dissolved in water. So ethyl alcohol, it is not a base. A base, that chemical substance which when dissolved in water produces hydroxide ions, that is a base. So strong bases and weak bases, the number of hydroxide ions, कितने OH negative ions प्रोड्यूस हो जाते हैं जब एक मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ बेस, वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ बेस को हम डिसॉल्व करते हैं वाटर में, उसको हम कहते हैं एसिडिटी. जिस तरह हमने देखा एसिड्स में बेसिसिटी, बट बेसिस में हम क्या लिखेंगे? एसिडिटी. एसिडिसिटी मतलब क्या है? द नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन्स प्रोड्यूस्ड. नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन्स प्रोड्यूस्ड व्हेन, कब? जब एक मॉलिक्यूल, व्हेन वन मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ बेस इज डिसॉल्व्ड या डिसोशिएट्स व्हेन डिसॉल्व्ड इन वाटर, दैट इज नोन एज एसिडिटी. ठीक है. वन मोर डेफिनेशन, वन मोर कंसेप्ट ऑफ बेसिस इज Bronsted-Lowry concept of bases. What is acidity? The number of hydroxide ions produced. The number of hydroxide ions produced when one molecule of base dissociates in water. जब एक मॉलिक्यूल बेस का किसमें डिसोशिएट हो जाएगा? वाटर में. उस टाइम कितने हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन्स प्रोड्यूस हो जाते हैं, उसको हम कहते हैं एसिडिसिटी. एक और कंसेप्ट है बेसिस का, दैट इज Bronsted-Lowry concept of basis. According to this concept, a base is that chemical substance which can accept a proton. According to this concept, a chemical substance which can accept a proton are known as bases. For example, NH3 plus H2O. NH3, it accepts a proton which is given by water. Then NH4 positive plus OH negative is produced. So NH3 is a base. वाटर इसको क्या देता है? प्रोटॉन. ठीक है, H पॉजिटिव. ये क्या बन गया? NH4 पॉजिटिव. इसी तरह हम एक और एग्जांपल लेंगे, NH3 प्लस HCl. जो हमने अभी पढ़ा था ऑर्गेनस कंसेप्ट, वो लिमिटेड है जब एक केमिकल सब्सटेंस व्हेन दे आर डिसॉल्व्ड इन वाटर. अगर हम यहां पे देखेंगे NH3, यहां पे वाटर नहीं है, दैट इज इट इज नॉट रेस्ट्रिक्टेड टू एक्वा सॉल्यूशन. यहां पे एग्जांपल देखिए, NH3 प्लस HCl, इट गिव्स अस NH4 पॉजिटिव एंड Cl negative. NH3 is a base. Why? It accepts a proton. This was the concept of bases. First of all, we have learned that bases are those chemical substances which have bitter in taste and turns red litmus solution to blue. But the important definition of bases is that those chemical substances which can neutralize an acid. They are known as bases. Then alkalis. Alkalis are those bases which are soluble in water. Strong bases and weak bases. Strong bases are those bases which dissociates completely to produce ions. But the concentration of the hydroxide ion is much more. These are known as strong bases. Then weak bases, those bases which do not dissociate completely and produces small amount of hydroxide ions are known as weak bases. Then branched lovely concept of bases, those chemical substances which can accept a proton are known as bases. Thanks. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.